Hi guys, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another set of mass-produced cards, all 3x3 again. If you didn't see my last video, go check it out. Those ones I had sent off to the assisted living facility my Nana lives in, and they loved them, so I decided to make more. These ones I'm not going to be sending off. I'm going to be packaging them up and maybe one day selling them. But I just wanted to show you what I made. I made these embellishments all from scraps. The card bases are made from 6x6 paper pads, which I'll show you in a second. But the embellishments were all scraps, and I was inspired by It's a Deal here on YouTube to make these little postage stamp embellishments. She did a video, a project share of what she made, a bunch of different embellishments, and she had a lot of really good ideas in there. But I took the postage stamp idea she had and ran with it, and I really like how they came out. I have a bunch. I made 50 of them. Here's the other side of the cards. This isn't all 50, obviously. I can't fit them all on my desk. But this is just some of them. And I just wanted to show you just all the different color combinations, the different little pieces I have. I mean, I used all dies to do all of this. None of it's punches, it's all dies. And I have a lot of different dies I could have used, but I decided to stick to the butterflies, cherries, and ice cream cones. And then I did cut out some golf little pieces that I'm going to be making cards with soon. I just kind of have to figure out what I want to do with that. But I'm going to show you the paper pads really quick. So one was a set that I got from AC Moore when it closed in my area in New York years ago, and I had this paper forever, and I honestly don't even know what it's called, but that is where is it? Where this cute happy birthday paper is from. And then I do have some with owls on it. What's under this? Where that paper's from, and it was just a paper pack in the dollar section, and it was on clearance, and I bought it. And then this is the Summer Fiesta paper pad from Michaels, I think either last year or 2 years ago, and I just used some of the papers out of that. That's this one. So that's that one. And then I also used this paper pad, the Coastal Village, which was they used to do this a lot at Michaels a year or two ago, and they would put these collections out and then have these paper pads and everything go on sale for $3 or $4. You get the whole collection for $3 or $4 a piece, stickers and everything. But I don't think they do that anymore, and if they do, let me know in the comments and give me a link, because I miss buying cute collections like this, because I don't buy what's her name, the one that everybody likes. I just don't buy the designer ones. I don't know, it's too expensive for me to really rationalize when you can get cute paper like this. This was I don't know if this had been a mistake, but Michaels had every piece of the Coastal Village for $2. So I got stamp sets, washi tubes, all of that $2 a piece. So that's when I got this. But yeah, so I used this one. That's all the other papers, this with the little houses behind it. What else do we got? This one, and then this one. On the back of these wood grain ones, oh, not this one, there's two that say something. Of course, not the first two I pick up. But I think it still looks fine and it's cute. So yeah, these are the 3x3 cards I made with all of the embellishments. I spent all day yesterday cutting these and then piecing them together, and then just attaching them to the cards. But it was a lot of fun, and I really like how they came out, and I think they look really nice, and they're all different, obviously, and I like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to go over and check out It's a Deal. I love her videos. The Happy Meal she makes are really cute. She's who inspired me to make the tassels. Obviously, I didn't do mine the same as hers. Hers were out of embroidery thread, but I made mine out of paper, which go check that video out if you haven't seen how I made paper tassels really easy without a die. I'll have that in the link, or in the links, under my about tab. I'll have that link in there, and I'll have It's a Deal's channel over there as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.